Sometimes if you act a fool, car wash.